guys, 7th attempt tayo ng ating trainee barista, no, sa ating morning session, Saturday morning session ng ating trainee barista. Ayan. So, perfect yung anim natin na latte art. So, pang 7th attempt natin ngayon. Tingnan natin kung chamba or hindi. O, sige, let's go. Tingnan natin guys, no, kung chamba ba or hindi ang ating latte art pang 7th attempt. Galing. Angat mo, ayan, ganyan. Ayos. So guys, now perfect pang 7th attempt ng ating latte art, no. Si Master Efren, ayan, si Master Efren ng ating trainee barista. 7th attempt guys, so walang tapo, no, perfect lahat yung kanyang latte art.